it's Adele from Chalk to Crafts, and I'm here to show you the Wicked Chickens transfer. One of my favorites, So, it's a little cold in Arizona today. Again, it's 56. I must come out at the time that it's 56 out here. So that's why I'm wearing the long sleeves, because it is a little bit chilly for us Arizonans. I'm just waiting on, hey Christy Lynn, waiting on my Wi-Fi on my tablet to catch up with us here. Today we're going to be chalking on this new surface, which I love. There's actually a pin that goes through there and holds it in place, and you can do it in either this position or this position. So it's either landscape or portrait. And one thing to note, because I just almost made this mistake, there's actually a bigger hole here, but there's not a big hole up here. So you got to pay attention when you get this surface in, and pay attention to that hole right there, because it is the bigger hole. And then it just fits right in here. Oops, see if I can do it right. So it's gonna go right in here, and then that little pin I just so if you get this, it's always taped on the bottom, okay? So make sure you pull it off the bottom of the pedestal, and then this will lock it into place. Hey everybody, it's exciting to see you guys all here to watch little old me. Let me see, my computer's a little slow here. It's not picking up the video. That's okay. That's all right. So today we're going to be doing the Wicked Chickens transfer. This one here. And yeah, it's on the bottom. Yep, it is on the bottom. I don't know what's going on with my... Let me just stop the music. Maybe that's the problem. Trying to make sure I can see your comments. Give me a second. Maybe the Wi-Fi is just slow today. No, Cindy, you're on it at perfect time. Wow. Okay, well, I guess my Wi-Fi is just gonna be slow. So I'm gonna raise up the, you know, the drill. Raise up my tripod so I can show you the project. And you'll have to ignore the glitter on the bottom here, but that's just the results of yesterday. So, okay, so this is the project we're working on. Gotta make sure I don't do it in the wrong direction. So this is the bottom. And I'm destickifying my transfer, and this is both to protect the transfer as well as protect the surface that I'm working on. So hey Jody, hey Cindy, hey Christy, hey everybody. Glad you're here. Thank you. I bet Christy sent out notices. She's really good about that. Letting everybody know, uh-oh, this is not gonna work on this transfer. Look at that. It's too tall for this board. So I need to punt. I'm actually, let me think about this. It's just too big. It's not, that transfer, the writing all doesn't work on it. All right. I think these will. I like this one, but I want to do something different. The round. Yeah, I want to use this surface. So I need to go, just give me a second, I'm going to go grab my, oh, I guess I could put the M in the middle. That's kind of weird. There's nothing around it. We already did Be the Spark. Hold on, let me grab my little transfers. I put it on there and I thought it was going to work, and then now that I get to the details, of course it's not going to work. Let me see what I want to do here. Whip it good, I could do that. Let me see. I know, stressful. I thought I had it figured out. I could do Mama's Kitchen, or I could do Whip It Good. I kind of like Whip It Good. Or just put just Whip It Good. Hold the phone. Let me think. All right, I'm gonna try. We're gonna do a different surface, I guess. Darn it. Okay. I really wanted to use that surface. Don't let me lose the, whoops, I'm making a mess here. Sorry guys, I thought I had it planned out, but of course it didn't work. Let me put this in the pedestal so I don't lose it. I don't know if that's going to be enough to make this look. I kind of like it. This is a cheapo board, but it's been waxed. Pretty sure I waxed them all when I bought them. I have several. Is this enough to put on here, you guys? What do you think? Or do you think I'm gonna have to add something? I think it's probably enough. Let's see. Did I lose you? Did I lose everybody? Did everybody leave when I started looking for everything? Let's see. Let's get started. Well, I'm gonna mix a little bit of orange and red together for a darker color, because I want that rooster or chicken to be a little bit darker. I want it to be darker than the orange but lighter than the red, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna actually mix it and make my own color. So and then as far as the writing, I think I'm gonna do yellow. Wicked Chickens. Yeah, I'm gonna do yellow. Are you guys still there? Anybody watching? I think everybody came on and left. That's all right. Oh, how you had to handle a little something. Okay. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna mix. I think I'm gonna do the writing in yellow, and then do the chicken in orange and red combined. So just gonna do the yellow real quick. I think I lost everybody except Jody, which is fine. Whatever. People probably just checked in for a minute to say hi. People have other stuff to do. I know that. Okay. So there's the Wicked. Then I'm going to do the rest of the writing, and I'll do the chicken last. Okay, how's everybody doing today? Hey, there you are. I'm going to mix colors for the rooster, or the chicken. Getting a lot of lines here. I've got lots of paste. Okay. I may have a bubble there, but I think it's not on the silk screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up. Let's see how it looks. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna dry this because I'm going to do the rooster in a minute. I don't want to risk this stuff ruining. Hold on, I got a little something to take care of here. There we go. I didn't want to dry that little oopsie in place. Okay. Thank you, Christy. Thanks, Jody, for coming back. And I'm just wanting to get this dry so that it doesn't, so if the transfer touches it, it doesn't mess up. I'll probably put a little paper under it too. I like the yellow on this board, on black boards. I just love the way it looks. It really pops off, sort of like white. So let me get a little paper. It's under here. Okay, there's one there. That'll just protect that. And we'll put one right here. There we go. Christy, is it cold in Florida? This is just our yellow color. It was one of the older yellows. Lemon. That's what it was, lemon. When I heard they were gonna be getting rid of lemon, I bought several because I love the way it pops off the board. So I purchased several lemons, and now I'm going to mix some colors, and I'll do that right here. I think I'll do it right there. I think I have room. And I'm just going to take a stir stick, stir them both up first. And let me give it a little squirt of water. Yes, Jody, I think you still have some lemon. I think I told you to buy it before they close it out. Yeah, that's good. Now red. Okay, so I'm gonna make some of my own color here. I'm gonna stir it up and see what it looks like. I'm looking for something in between these two colors. It's not necessarily that's looking closer, but that's more of a, I don't think I like that at all. I think what I'll do is put some more orange in and not stir it up so much so it has a streak to it. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna stir it, but not very much. And just see how that comes out on the transfer. Because I'm looking for a little bit of a mix, which is what you see in chickens. You see a mix of color. And I want to see a little more orange than I'm seeing, so I'm going to put a little bit more on my squeegee. I think it's going to come out just about what I'm looking for. If you've ever been on a farm, chickens have a lot of variegated color in them, so all right, we're done. Let's see what it looks like. That is exactly what I wanted. What do you guys think? Let me turn it around for you. What do you think? I like the color. I think it's perfect. And I'm gonna hang this in my kitchen, I think. I like it. You guys have a good day. Tomorrow's gonna be a little warmer. Tomorrow I have a class in the morning. And then in the afternoon I have my 3 newest designers coming over to my house, to my studio, and we're gonna chalk. So maybe while they're here, hey Nicholas. So my newest designers are coming over and we're just gonna chalk together. I told them they can use some of my stuff. And maybe while they're here, we'll do some videos. It'll depend on their comfort level. I don't wanna make them uncomfortable. So that's it for me today. I hope you guys are staying warm. And we will, hey, thanks a lot, Cindy. Thanks you guys, thanks for the hearts. I love hearts. We'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.